Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, just a little bit of an update of what's going on at Harrods Garage and what you'll be seeing in the next couple of weeks. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, the Skyline has gone away for a little while. I'll keep you updated. Well, not really, but I'll show you when it's back. We'll be working on the FOS. Might pick up a drive shaft and O-ring for the power steering. We'll be getting the K24 back together, so we can start mocking up turbo exhausts or turbo manifolds. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Skyline's gone away for a little while. FOS is going to get some work done to it, and the K24 is going to get rebuilt. No better parts in it. I'm just going to use this one for a mock-up because if you didn't know, yeah, this cylinder wall here, it's been corroded, so it's a throwaway. So I might as well just chuck it all back together, learn how they work, clean them up, definitely clean it up, and use it as a mock-up engine. I would like to get the engine out of this though. I think it needs a bit of a tune-up. So let's see where the next couple of weeks takes us. It's a short, sharp episode today, just to let you know what's actually going on and why I haven't really been posting much. Yeah, being sick. Last couple of weeks ago I had the flu. I was in bed for a couple of days. That's why something came up, and then something else came up with the Skyline, so that's off getting some work done, and yeah. Can't wait to get my hands dirty again. I love playing with engines. So, sorry about all these, just driving around, boring ones. Not getting many views on them, because they are boring. So we'll get these engines back together. It's pretty much just everywhere. Hopefully I remember how to put them back together. Thanks for watching guys. I'll catch you next episode on Thursday. Hope you enjoyed this short episode. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're excited for what's coming up, give me a thumbs up, hit that share button, and also subscribe if you haven't. Bye. Hey guys, what are you doing? Where's your funnel gone?